welcome back to our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. For today we have a scholarship called Mera Bharat Surakshit Bharat. This scholarship is being provided by Sood Charity Foundation and the benefit of this scholarship is up to 1 crore rupees. This scholarship is applicable for the undergraduate students between the age of 18 years to 35 years. The link for the application form is given below in the description box, and to know the entire application process, keep on watching our video. If you enjoy content like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Now let's get started with the video. First type theglobalscholarship.org. Now click on the first link that appears on your page. This will take you to our official website which has three broad categories: scholarship, abroad scholarship, competition and awards. Click on scholarship section. You will see multiple scholarship to which you can apply according to your eligibility. For today let's focus on Mera Bharat Surakshit Bharat. Click on the view button. Now you can see an interface that has the scholarship details like name of the scholarship, provider of the scholarship, benefit from this scholarship. At the right side you can see the start date, end date. Just below it you will see the educational qualification to whom this scholarship is open for. After that I want you to go through the scholarship description once to know the intent behind the scholarship. Moving on to next, you will see the eligibility section. So let's check it out. The applicant must be a permanent resident of India. The applicant must be above the age of 18 years and below the age of 35 years. The objective behind this initiative is to create a national level program for students or enthusiasts who want to build their careers in tech and cyber security. With this learning, they can gain job-oriented skills without spending a fortune. The terms and condition under Sonu Sood scholarship is given. Please carefully go through the terms and conditions. Once you are thorough with it, we'll check out the benefits of the scholarship. To this program, scholarships up to rupees 1 crore will be offered to help cybersecurity enthusiasts build their careers and develop skills. Moving on to next, you will see the attachment section. So these are all the documents which you require while filling up of the application form. So keep them handy. At the end of the page, at the left corner, you will see the button login and apply. Hit the button. It will redirect you to the official site of the scholarship. After that, you have to click on apply now button. Click on apply for this scholarship. Then enter the details of the candidate carefully. First name of the candidate, last name of the candidate. Select the gender accordingly. Enter your email ID. Enter your mobile number. Enter your WhatsApp number. Select the state, which city you are from. Select it. Enter the pin code of your city. What is your annual family income? Enter the annual income. What is your current profile? Whether you are a student, working professional, business or self-employed or any other, select accordingly. What is your academic qualification? Select accordingly and click on the next button. The page for apply for this scholarship now will open in front of you. Enter name of the last college or school you have attended or currently attending. Enter name of the last course you have completed or currently pursuing. If you belong to intermediate or 12th standard, then fill the stream of your study. What is your high school 10th standard percentage or CGPA? Select the percentage. What is your intermediate 12th standard percentage or CGPA? Select it. What are your career goals? Enter those. How did you come to know about this initiative? You can just select any of them from which you came to know about this scholarship. Why do you deserve this scholarship? Enter your answer for this question. Have you ever enrolled in any cyber security related courses? Select yes or no accordingly. Then go through the terms and condition carefully. Then agree to about terms and condition and click on submit button. This is your successful submission of Mera Bharat Surakshit Bharat scholarship. For more updates like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Thank you.